is going on, everyone? Back at it again with another video. This is more so of a cosmetic look to the Chrysler 300 because, I mean, obviously you see them at drag strips with just the rears. I don't know. I'm sure they run skinnies in the front, but I have installed my beadlocks, but I never took a video or anything like that. But I'm going to put the skinnies on the front, which are right here as well. So as you can see, these are black and chrome with the forged stars. I've never put the skinnies on the front of this 300, which I'm kind of excited to see what it looks like because I've done my beadlocks, but I didn't really get any video footage of that, just some pictures. So now that this is more so of a before and after of this chrome right here, we are going to get them painted. My boy is helping me out because he does this painting stuff. So this chrome is going to turn into I want to say candy red of some sort. We'll probably do a candy red just because it's probably going to be hard to paint match them exactly to this. So we're going to keep the chrome, or not keep the chrome, we're going to get rid of the chrome, turn those red, and I'm like really excited about that to see how that turns out. And we're going to see how this looks for my first time as well, throwing the skinnies on the front. The backs look really good. Like this, it changes the look of this thing so much with just the beadlocks on the back. So I guess we're going to see how it looks with a full-on drag pack on the 300. Maybe, I don't know if we'll do a hit. We'll see how the video ends up going. But because I can do a dig. If you saw my previous video of my one-piece drive shaft install, you guys are going to come along with me installing the beadlocks, or my drag pack. But, oh, actually, let me show you guys something. So, when we were in Mexico, and with the C7 and stuff like that, my car started to drive funny, right? So I'm like, something don't feel right. So I ended up pulling over, looked at my tire. I was like, there's nothing wrong. As you can see right here. Thank God these are run flats. But it peeled all the way back. I'm glad I didn't mess my rim up. Looks like there's a tiny ding right there, but nothing too crazy. I'm glad my rim's still salvageable. But that's not even the bad part. I don't feel like flipping the tire over. But as you can see, this goes all the way around. I guess I can spin it this way. But yeah, as you can see, it was literally going. Let's get to this installing. I wonder if we do the fronts or the back first. I think we're going to do the fronts first. So, set you guys up, do a little time lapse of installing the front tires. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. This is kind of just a cosmetic thing, so what can I say? So as you can see, look how skinny and narrow these things are. But these are it. They're kind of... holds my weight, but I don't know if it's going to hold 4,500 pounds. I guess we'll see how these go once I put them on. Yeah, I don't know. I got them off my boy Zach a while back, and I've never installed them. So I'm kind of hoping that they just don't go flat right away. Anyway. So this drag pack actually came with a special socket, special lugs, so.
Walk in the bank, I demand that cash. Walk in the club, you better show me ass. I fuck that bitch and she came to my class. I don't chase no bitch, I chase that cash. Fucking that hoe right inside of my bed. I fucked her so hard, my face was turning red. She ate my dick, yeah, that bitch was...
It looks kind of close.
Yeah, it's very close, but
I think we're good. Just like the side profile looks insane. But yeah, that's the front. Work on the rear, get the rear on. And then this driver's side will be done completely. So I'll show like this side and I'll show the passenger side. I hope this looks dope because this looks dope. So
I don't fuck with cops, I don't fuck with feds. I come from the streets and I do, oh yeah, bitch, that's Green Bay with scope. It is so cold, it always fucking snows. I smoke weed and I do that blow. Bitch, I own the shit, I'm the CEO. In any city, I get titties and them bitches. I got 10s, 20s, 50s, and I throw it on them titties. If you ugly, then we
the guy she tells you not to worry about you.
fuck, keep it low key. You don't fucking know me. Bitch, I keep it on me. Arch your back for me. Have your legs open for me. Now, baby, that's the key. Walk in the bank, I demand that cash. Walk in the club, you better show me ass. I fuck that bitch and she came to my class. I don't chase no bitch, I chase a cash.
And there you have it. We got the beadlocks in the back. Look at that meaty tire. Oh my goodness gracious. That's actually insane. I know I have a flashlight somewhere. What the hell? I always put things back when you touch them in the first place because then you end up losing it just like I did. I don't even know where I put it. I don't know if I have ADHD, but I swear to God. Right here on the hood. The fronts. Just see them big boys in the back. Oh, wow. But yeah, as you can see, that's my street tires versus the drag pack. That's actually insane. I can't. Yeah, that thing spins, but scary how close it is, to be honest with you. But I'll get the whole car wrapped around with the Mickeys and the Hoosiers. Get everything wrapped around all around. And yeah, that'll be for the install. Hope you guys are enjoying it. So it's the next day and I was feeling lazy and didn't feel like doing the passenger side, but let's get to it.
Fucking that hoe right inside of my bed. I fucked her so hard, my face was turning red. She ate my dick, yeah, that bitch was fed. I don't fuck with cops, I don't fuck with feds.
Hellcat, red seats, red key, fuck with me. Made my first 20 at 23. I'm a OG, shooting from the 3 like I'm Kobe. Trapping at the bando, you can call me Tony. Niggas playing games like I'm so sweet. You can take a seat, I'ma teach you a lesson with the Smith & Wesson. Fuck with me, that ain't a question. I'ma send my hitters after you. That's flexing and finessing, I ain't stressing. That's a fact, moving that pack, dunking on niggas like I am Shaq. Fuck how you feel, I'm the real deal. I don't give a fuck if you the one I should kill. I ain't snitching, my lips are sealed. You can get your fucking top pill. We don't fuck with cops, we don't fuck with feds, bitch.
As you can see, passenger side is now on. I'm gonna do a little walk around here. And these tires are insanely big. Let's pull this thing out, see what it looks like in motion, with the wheels in motion. A little nervous because the passenger, or the fronts are very close to the calipers compared to the rears. The rears got a lot of space, obviously, as you can see daylight still. Over there you can't see anything, but I also went to the Hellcat community group. I even asked for their opinions, and they said as long as it clears, it's fine. All right, let's see. Let's see how badass she looks when she pulls up. still look like they're sitting flat. Aired them up to 35 psi, so ew. That looks pretty sick, not gonna lie. That looks pretty dope, I can't even lie. The rears are just awesome, but the fronts, why do they look like they're so flat? Did the other side look like that? No. Kinda. I didn't feel them rubbing when I pulled in reverse, and they're not marked, so that's for my finger when I wipe the dust, but other than that, yeah, it must be fine. But dude, look how insanely close that is. Let's see if I can get on camera. It looks like it's touching. That's pretty damn dope though. Look at that thing. It'll walk around in the back too. Hear that chop. Dude. I mean, to be honest though, from like that looks mean. That looks good dope. I think it's the Hoosier, the tire logo on the side that makes it look pretty sick. I can't even lie. But yeah, that's pretty dope. Yeah, so we'll do a before and after cinematic shot after the wheels get painted and see how it looks. But that thing looks mean, boy. Shit you not, that looks mean as shit with those. Look how narrow those look. Like little baby tires. that oh whoa, too zoomed in. That just looks good though, that stance. I'm excited for the wheel painting to be done on this thing. I like it. Alright guys, these are a bunch of videos getting thrown in together because working and stuff. So, but as you saw, we got the drag pack installed. Let's get some nice rollers of the car, how it looks with the drag pack, and then I'll record a little bit my reaction driving with the drag pack. So yeah, it's probably a boring video, but I hope you guys enjoy. So after that, seeing those flybys and hearing the pops, I know it was a little windy, so hopefully it looked good. But dude, with these slicks on, I'm probably gonna end up putting my regular stocks on the front and then run these in the back. And that's probably how I'm gonna do things permanently with this thing, because I will not lie, feeling the traction actually grab and it doesn't slip, it's actually pretty insane. I can't even lie to you on that one. I can totally feel the difference day and night with these Mickeys on the back. I'll probably run like Nittos or something just because they'll have longer life for daily driving. I was told they're not that great, especially because they slip a lot. But Mickey Thompson's you got to replace, and you only get like 5,000 miles out of the Mickeys, so we'll see how I'm feeling. But right now, oh, look at this guy on the electric bike. But right now, with how this thing drives, I am loving it. You guys are about to hear the echo. Look at that man paddling away. Do a small pull, hopefully. Oh. Sounds different when you got the city walls here. Thumbs up, dog. Thumbs up. He's sitting there smiling. Yeah, this thing's pretty sick, not gonna lie. Yeah, hit that downshift. Oh, wait. Oh, that would help if I was in sport too. I'm in eco mode right now. But yeah, this thing drives real good. I'll get like a good little pull if I manage to, but damn, he's keeping up with me. He's keeping up with me. Yeah, dude. I keep saying it, but this is awesome. Definitely gonna be dealing the beadlocks. And just the stance of this thing looks insane too with these skinnies on it. Ooh! Seeing that front end pop up a little bit right there though, on those little pulls I was doing a pat. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Cool little mod. We got the channel on here now. But dude, you can't really see that far, but that looks sick though. Follow me at IG, YouTube, TikTok.
Don't do my nails in there. Maybe it's not done.
Got the Mickeys on that motherfucker. Yeah, is that on that good enough or no? Scrub a dub. Committed. Yeah. Slowest deal ever. Thank you. We're stamped. So this video is kind of everywhere because I don't know. I'm just throwing something together. But anyway, so we had to redo this because it was misspelled at 920 first instead of SRT. and we made it a little bit bigger. But thank you to Raiden. She plugged me on this, and now I'm officially stamped with my YouTube channel on my car. I was gonna do some like big thing right back here, but I was I'd rather just keep it clean and subtle. And if people really want to, like, local people see this, hopefully they see the side because I have it on both. So yeah, officially stamped.